From the land of ice and snow, a Viking appeared in the frozen mist with a chef's knife and sauté pan. Well, okay, from warm Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, that same Viking, now with thinner blood, brings you a Viking's Kitchen.
Guacamole, another staple of great Mexican cuisine. So, avocados, you want to pick them. I know it hurts them, but it's the ultimate test. You push just a little bit. Should be firm but giving, okay? If it's hard, it's not going to be good. It's going to make a woody guacamole. If it's too soft, you're going to you're going to break it open. It's going to be brown, mushy, yucky. You don't want that either. So, cut like this, then twist, pop, pull out the seed. See how simple that is? You can take and stick these and grow your own avocados. Taking the skin off is fairly easy when they're ready, when they're ripe. If they're too woody, they won't come out. I have shelled the avocados. And this is going to be chunky style. A little thing in there we don't want. This is going to be chunky style guacamole, which is what I want. I don't want the mush. I'm going to throw these in the bowl. Perfect. The avocados are really just, they're ripe today. And they can vary by a day or so. The avocados have been diced, large dice. I've got purple onion, which are pretty sweet. Roma tomato, not overly ripe, but yet not green. I'm gonna put a little bit of, I use Himalayan pink salt. A little bit of pepper. Some garlic. Right there. And instead of lime juice, I use lemon juice. These are really juicy lemons, so I'm gonna get quite a bit of juice out of there. I would say about, a half cup of lemon juice, depending. You know, once again, some lemons are extremely sweet if they've ripened on the tree. Some aren't, so you gotta taste it. Make your own determining factor. Mix this up. One thing I'm gonna add, a little bit of my favorite hot sauce. Just a little bit. I told you I like spice. I like to kick it up. That one has a little bit of smokiness to it, which I really like. Okay, I don't want to overmix this because I'm going to ruin the look, but I do have to taste it. That's the great part about when you enter into the culinary world as a chef, you always have to taste everything, so you better like food. Outstanding. Excellent guacamole. Fresh. Once again, don't buy it, make it. It's so much more unique. Make it yours. Add something a little different. You want to put a little bit of chipotle in there or whatever, add a little bit of lime juice, that's fine. Make it yours, but make it fresh. We'll see you around.